I am very excited because I leave in under 2 weeks for Mexico. So that means it's time for me to start packing. And the first step whenever I start packing is always to do laundry. I feel like it's important to have all of your laundry done, and sorry if you can hear mine going in the background, because then you know for sure everything is going to be clean that you might potentially want to pack. I also always make a packing list starting several weeks in advance of a trip usually, and I just do that in notes on my phone, and that way I can add things if I'm on the go anywhere, if I think of something. Packing for this trip is going to be a little bit different because we are going to be working remotely for a month from Sayulita, Mexico. We've been here before. It's actually where we got engaged, but it's on the Pacific side of Mexico, and you just fly into Puerto Vallarta. From there, it's about a 45-minute or an hour drive into the beautiful beaches of Sayulita. It is known for its surfing, which is a huge reason why we're there, so let's get packing. On my packing list, I was pretty specific about what hats I wanted to bring with me, and I know that these 3 are all on the list and some other ones as well. Really important to just protect your face from that hot sun. And then I believe I wrote something along the lines of almost all my swimsuits. So this is all of my swimsuits, and I'm just gonna go through and pull the ones that I know that I want to bring. So it will be the majority of these that are coming with me, but there are a few that I'm not really wearing right now or that don't really fit me right now, so I do have to sort through it. I definitely wear a lot of jean shorts when it's warmer out, so I'm bringing quite a few pairs of those. I have these black Levi's that I can wear lower waisted because they are a little bit loose, or I can button them up in that fun way with using the belt loop and make them a little bit tighter and a little bit more high-waisted. These are just a shorter, tighter pair of Levi's, and they're like a very classic denim blue color that I like. Also have a pair from Zara that I love. They're probably the most ripped up ones that I have, but they are really cute. They're very comfortable, and I like how light they are as well. Because longer shorts have been so popular, I'm bringing these ones from Zara with me. I just think that they give a nice relaxed look to an outfit, and of course there's some days when I just want to be a little bit more covered up. And even though it's probably going to be really hot the whole time, I did want to bring one pair of jeans. And of course I'm bringing my lavender tennis skirt. This is fantastic in hot weather. It just is kind of breezy, and I feel like I'm gonna be wearing this one a lot. I was too hot in what I was wearing because I've been trying on a bunch of different outfits and items to film, but also that's always something that I do when I'm packing. I always want to make sure that I'm actually happy with the way that things look and the way that things pair together, and that I have some good outfits going on. The next thing on my list is actually sets, so I do know that these go great together already. The first one that I have is this white sweatsuit set, bringing this little workout set. This is the one that I ended up keeping from the whole TNA body try on. So I have these shorts, and then I also have a tank top that's the same color, Dover gray. This stuff is all from TNA by Aritzia. So I can wear those together, or again, I can wear the tank top with like whatever else I want to wear it with. The final sweat set that I'm bringing, these are just, you know, my little pink shorts that I wear a lot, and I wore a lot here in the summer. Even I found when it was pretty hot outside that these were fine. This set, I think you've probably all seen a million times, but it is very, very lightweight, and I do like wearing particularly this top on its own as well. Like with denim shorts, it looks really nice. And then I have my little Zara onesie little shorts moment leotard thing here. And this is also great when it's really hot outside. I feel like whenever I'm in a hot climate, if an outfit is too like complicated, it's just, I'm never gonna bother with it, which is also why I'm bringing a lot of dresses. I did want to bring a couple like fancier things. So I brought this little cutout dress. I mean, you could totally wear it with sneakers and make it more casual, but if we do go out for like a nice dinner or I want to take some fancier photos somewhere, then this is gonna be one that I think I will turn to. This dress is, I'm torn about. I really like the back of this dress and I love the skirt. I feel like the color and the top is not the most flattering thing, but this is like the absolute floatiest, thinnest dress that I have. And so I feel like it's going to be just so nice to wear when it's like one of those really, really hot days. More going out dresses. I feel like if there's ever a place that I'm going to confidently wear this dress out on the town, like I have worn it here, but I don't think I've, you know, I don't really go out often here. Another dress that's just like a big, kind of comfy, breezy one to throw on is this little polo dress. This is from Aritzia as well, and I actually haven't worn it as much as I thought I would. I do also have like two specific beach cover-ups, and so this one is just a little black, like very, very thin dress with a really open front. I think I got this at an Aritzia warehouse sale like years ago. I think having something to cover up my shoulders is very key for me because that's always the first thing that's going to get sunburned. I also have this wonderful hat that I just got on Poshmark that I'm planning on wearing to the beach, you know, probably wearing around quite a bit. My other like specific cover-up dress is this one that was in my Shein haul. So I am bringing everything that I got in that bathing suit haul to Mexico. I am also going to be bringing this New York Yankees hat that I have been wearing just so much. I think because it's like so neutral, it really does just go with anything and makes me feel like cute and sporty and hides my face and like my hair, so I don't feel like I have to put anything on or like put any effort in when I'm leaving the house. It's great. If you're not wearing hats right now, like I think you definitely need to be wearing more hats. I was just going through and checking things off my list to make sure I didn't forget anything, and I feel like this is why I need a list, because I forgot stuff already. One of the things I forgot was this little silk slip skirt, and I feel like this is gonna be really cute. I am bringing like more fancy stuff with me than I normally would. I just want to make sure, you know, that I have everything. I'm kind of nervous. I've never gone away for an entire month before in my adult life. The other thing I forgot, which I think I'm probably gonna wear a lot just because it is so easy and comfortable, is this little brown terry set. Posting this, I realized that unfortunately I forgot to film a try-on clip for my tops, but I'm bringing all these shirts, lots of crop tops, some t-shirts, and also my linen button-up, of course. Hello! For you, it will have been just a few seconds, but for me, it has been several days since I've done anything to complete my packing. The situation is exactly the same. I still have this overflowing suitcase here, and today I am actually going to try tackling how to pack it in a nice way so that everything fits. It's like semi-organized for when I unpack, and just to see if the other things that I want to bring will even fit in here. One of the things that I have that I find is really helpful when packing are these little packing cubes. I think they're really helpful to keep things together and also just to keep things organized when you're traveling. It's the next day now, and I really did think that I was like almost packed, but I also had talked to my mom a little while ago and wanted to go like raid her closet for all her cute summer clothes and borrow them for this trip. And that's actually something that I would like highly recommend doing. Probably have a friend who's like maybe around the same size as you who has great clothes, and especially if you're going on like a summery vacation in the winter and like they're just gonna pack away all that stuff anyways. This first top is actually something that I have borrowed from my mother before. And it's just an Aritzia little cropped kind of puff sleeve shirt. One thing I really did feel like I was kind of missing still was like cute tops. Luckily, my mom has like thousands of shirts like this in her closet, so I took some of them. This is not really showing up well on camera, but it does have like a little kind of hook closure, and then it's just got the cute little like kind of lettucey hemmed sleeves, and is a nice little puff sleeve crop top again. She did actually lend me a really adorable bathing suit as well. So this is like a crocheted bathing suit. And also this dress, this is an Aritzia dress as well. It's just like very, very simple, but it's a nice breezy material. And last but not least, we have this white dress with just the little wooden button details. My mom really likes puff sleeves, I guess, because yeah, this is another one with that. Now we have, you know, some new clothes to add to the pile, and I will actually show you because I did end up kind of totally redoing the way that I had my luggage organized. Last night I had put all of my clothing in the travel bags into my actual luggage, but they really do fit perfectly into a carry-on bag that I have, and I think I'm going to end up bringing a large checked luggage and then also having like my normal carry-on suitcase, which is usually like everything that I bring on a trip. I do have to bring my lights so that I can keep filming videos while I'm away, and I think the only place they're gonna fit is in my big suitcase, like diagonally across the bag. Had to make some adjustments, but I think that this is gonna be the way that it works the best. I do also have some shoes that I need to pack still, and I need to make my final decision on what shoes I'm bringing. I did order some shoes from Ardennes. Should arrive on Tuesday, and then I will have my like final shoe spread, and I'll be able to make the last decisions on those. Look what has arrived! I can't believe it. This wasn't supposed to get here until Tuesday, but it's here now, so yes, I get to open it and then finish my packing, which is so exciting. First thing I got is just like a fake little version of my Prada bag. I had also been wanting to get some just like easy slides. I just wanted something that was like a little bit nicer than Birkenstocks. These I think everyone will laugh at me about, but they were each $2, and I know that like platform flip-flops have very much been in style. So I wanted to try these, and I think that maybe I can just take the jewels off of them. We'll have to see if that is even possible. If anyone tries to tell me that this is not like my best, you know, young girl reading YM magazine trying to feel beautiful, like I love this. This is exactly like, this is who I wanted to be when I was a little girl. That's my haul. Now I can finish and choose what shoes I want to bring on this trip with me. I realize that I have kind of a lot of shoes here, but this is everything that I'm bringing. I am going to wear my Air Force Ones on the plane because they are the bulkiest shoes, so I'll just set those aside. They don't need to go in the suitcase. I figured out how to take the gems off those shoes, thankfully, and I'm bringing 3 of the Ardennes sandals. Of course, I had to bring my cowboy boots. I'm gonna take some pictures with them, even if they're kind of too hot to wear most of the time, my Birkenstocks, and then I actually did end up getting a black pair of these white sandals that I have been loving from H&M, so going to bring both of those for like all of my fancier outfits. Of course, I'm bringing my little Prada, bringing my new fake Prada from Ardennes, and then this is going to be my carry-on bag and also my like beach bag. So my laptop can fit in there and everything, which is awesome. We have our full sunscreen supply here because last time it was really expensive to buy sunscreen in Sayulita.
That's it. This is everything I'm bringing with me to Sayulita. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more Mexico content, and I'll see you there. Bye!